In this video, I'll detail how to make a group chat or Samsung. So if you're using a Samsung device, here I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on the Messages app on your Samsung phone and add all participants to the group chat. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make a group chat or Samsung, all you just need to do is open the Message app on your Samsung Galaxy phone like this. Then click on this icon at the bottom right to start a new conversation. Then click on Create Group. Now go ahead and add everyone you want to add to the group chat. So just type in the name or add them one after the other. So I'm going to go ahead, select this contact, then add another person. So you can add as many as you want. So I'm just going to add some of my contacts. Then once you're done adding the contact, click on Next button. Then type in the name of the group. Here I have group chat. Mark you, the maximum character for a group name on Samsung phone is 100. Click on Done. Then once you tap the Done, you should see the group chat, and you can see each recipient will receive an SMS message from you. Reply will appear in individual conversations. So that is it. Then if I click on here, you can see individual. Then let me say this is a group chat. Then you can just go ahead and send this as SMS. So that if you want to send this as MMS, you can switch to MMS, or if all these people are using RCS, then you're going to see the ability to send the message as RCS. So that is basically how to make a group chat on Samsung. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.